Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to order stuff off JDFoot, which is pretty much cheap shoes, fake replicas. Very good website. Look at the prices are really good on this. Like Pharrell Williams human races, $165. Air Jordan 1s, $145. Pretty decent prices. That's about 150. That's about £100 in UK. The prices aren't that bad, to be fair. I'll show you how to order an item now. So you just click on whatever you like. Let's say we want off-white one. So it's in stock. You can pay with Visa, MasterCard. It's secure website, but it is secure website, yeah. HTTPS. But this says it's not secure. Must be the certificate or some of the content. Okay. So you add it to your cart. You can either add it to your cart to do a quick checkout. I'll just show you the long way, which is to add it to the cart. Oh wait, you have to choose a size. So we want a size UK 10. Add to cart. There you go. So now you go to checkout. Okay, so what you want to do is fill in all your information. First name, last name, email, telephone number with the country you're from, state, city, address, postcode. And then I'll be giving out coupon codes soon, so you can check that out. And it's just $5 for shipping all around the world, which is pretty good, I believe. You can pay through PayPal. I prefer to pay through PayPal because you're protected if anything goes wrong, so that's good for you. And yeah, it says pages are secure, but this says otherwise. For I don't know, up to you to decide. But since you're paying through PayPal, I say it's secure anyway, so it's gonna go through PayPal, so that's okay. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.